Hi, dear students. This is Neeraj Gaur from Mount Literacy School. I am presenting a video lecture for class 10th, lesson 1, Internet. Lesson 1 name is Internet Basics, and this lesson belongs to the Internet and its component as like a web server, as like a World Wide Web. What is a website? What is a web portal? And in this lesson, we also learn about the protocols. The topic 1, Internet. What is Internet and how was it developed? The answer is that the Internet is defined as a network of millions of computers connected worldwide through telephone line or cables. We can relate the term Internet to the telephone network or the interstate highway system, which is spread across the interconnected to each other. A network of computers can consist of two or more computers that can connect and share information. Computers are connected within a small network as well as World Wide Web all over the internet. The internet is much broader network that uses common communication standards and interface to provide the physical backbone for many interesting applications. It also consists of many other connecting devices like routers, modem, etc. and the internet technologies that include broadband connections like a wired or wireless. There are so many applications and services like email, chatting, blogs, etc. Millions of computers worldwide are connected to the internet that provides services to link business, educational institutions, and government agencies together. The history of internet. First step towards construction of internet was taken by US Department of Defense in 1969 when they formed a network called ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is a Advanced Research Project Agency network. Later in 1970, the US National Science Foundation created a common network called CSNet. Research and development in the field of network resulted in the formation of a new high capacity and more speedy network called NSF-NET in 1985. Then in 1992, research led to the creation of a new network called ANS-NET. After that, in 1995, a more advanced version of the network called VVNS was developed. This network is now called the Internet. The different type of internet connections in a current scenario, we uses the two most of popular type of connections to establish the internet. The first one is dial-up connection and second one is leased line connection. So in this type of connection, a temporary connection with the ISP, ISP means internet service provider, as like a BSNL, Geo, Airtel, etc., is created by the user to use the internet services, then disconnect the connection after use. The user is charged a fixed amount depending upon the time period for which the connection was active. The second one is lease line connection. In this type of connection, a permanent connection is dedicated to a particular user and it is open for 24 hours a day. The user is charged a fixed amount depending on the data transfer rate provided by the connection. In older days, uh, we have to dial a number such like a star 99 hash. After dialing this number, the internet connection was established for some time. After and they charge the fixed amount for the time duration and how many megabyte and data we uses, the charges according to that dial-up connection. In a lease line connection, as like a broadband connection, BSNL broadband connection, MTNL broadband connection, they charged a fixed amount to complete a month for internet. If you not use, they charge a fixed amount for a lease line connection.